3 days of abstinence, day 1. I started my day full of enthusiasm and compliance, hoping that the first day would move smoothly and there would be no surprises. Giving up gum may seem like a simple thing to you, but my gum is attached to other foods. I chew gum to prevent myself from eating carbohydrates, bread, sweet fruits, juices, and candy. Carbs will add calories, fat, and as a result, weight. I have a thing against gaining weight, which is probably why I had to work through an eating disorder. I've never been bulimic or anorexic, but I had an unhealthy relationship with food, as well as an excessive evaluation of my self-worth in terms of body weight. I weighed myself every day and started a new or old diet every Monday. I exercised to lose weight and I ate foods that helped you lose quickly. I can remember as early as age 9 until I entered menopause being overly concerned about what the scales said, until I was faced with diabetes and had to come to terms with life and the things that are the most important. Living a healthy lifestyle, my family and my friends, this is what I have learned to appreciate, not to scale. Now, don't get me wrong, I still want to control my weight and the food I put into my mouth, but I don't get so upset when my weight goes up. I just exercise more or go to treatment, which is a weight loss doctor for B12 shots and support. I'll be back on day 2.